Hello everybody and welcome back. We're going to create a couple of subroutines here which compare things. So I'm going to create the first subroutine called compare. Okay, so I'm going to knock that down there. So we're going to create my scalar A is equal to 1. Okay, and my scalar B is equal to, let's say, 10. Okay, so now we're going to do an an if statement here. So if scalar A is equal to scalar B, okay, we're going to have to say something, we're going to have to do something. So here, if it's equal, print A is equal to B. Okay, so A is equal to B. Else, just going to pop that back there, and I'll pop that one back there. So else, okay, so this is going to be here, else. If it's not equal, we're going to have to tell the user that, aren't we? So we're going to have to say something like print, using the print command, A and B are not equal. A and B are not equal there, and the new line. Okay. So now I'm going to come down, I'm going to create, well, let's run this first. Let me just show this for you. So we're going to run it, so that's going to be compare. Okay, I'm going to call it compare 1 because we're going to do another subroutine which I will call compare 2. So this is compare 1. So let's just save it there and let's run the program. Okay, so as it says, A and B are not equal because A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 10. So we know that. So let's go 10, 10 there. Save it. Run the program again. So A is equal to B, as we can see, because A is equal to 10 and scalar B is equal to 10 too. Okay, so I'm going to do another quick subroutine here just to demonstrate this. So sub, and we're going to call it compare 2. Okay, so this is going to be compare 2 here. And so we're going to say my scalar name is equal to Mark. Okay, so my scalar city is equal to Berlin. Okay, and now this is where we come in with the conditional statement here. So we're going to make a comparison. So I'm going to say if, let's say, scalar name is not equal. Now we're using the NE here, not equal, because we're dealing with strings rather than numerical values. So if scalar name is not equal to Mark, or scalar city is not equal to Berlin, let's have a look. We'll going to have to do something. So if it's not equal, so if the name's not equal to Mark and the city, just pull that up there a little bit so I can see, and the city is not equal to Berlin, we're going to have to print off a message. So this message is going to be one of the conditions is not true. That's a new line there. One of the conditions is not true, else. And this is going to be else. And we're going to have to print off here. Let's have a look. Print both conditions. Whoops. Typo there. Both conditions are true. Okay. So before we can run this, we're going to have to call the second subroutine. So the second subroutine, as you can see, is called compare to. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're just going to save it and we're going to run those and see what happens. Okay, so here we go, A is equal to B, yeah. And the second one here, both conditions are true. If name is not equal to Mark or city is not equal to Berlin, one of the conditions is not true. So the name is equal to Mark and the city is equal to Berlin. So both conditions are true. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Remember to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.